Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Data Analyst Explorers. In this video, we will solve another HackerRank SQL question, which is Weather Observation Station 13. Now let's see the question. Query the sum of northern latitudes from a station having values greater than this and less than this, and truncate your answer to 4 decimal places. Basically, from this station table, we have to extract the sum of the northern latitudes which has a value greater than this and less than this. Now let's try to write the code. So we will select sum the lat and value, okay, and truncate your answer to 4 decimal places. So we want to round up this to 4 decimal places. And now from the table name, from station, where we will write the filter here, where. So I am writing this column as value. Okay. So what? So this value will where value should be greater than and less than. So where value we will use in function, where value in this. So now where value should be greater than and well value should be less than. We will write the number here. So I'm unable to copy paste, so I will write it as 1. So the number is 38.7880, and here the number is 137.2345, and that's it. Now run the code. uh, there is error. I have to write the name of the column. So I want this value to be greater than and less than this. So now again let's try to copy run the code, and here we can see that our answer is right. So the select round from station, where this you can skip this also. You can skip this as value because I am giving another name for this column. So you can click on this submit code, and thank you for watching this video.